I'm Avi, and in this video, I'm going to introduce you to the new event content type with Layout Builder for your YMCA website. The updated event content type allows for Layout Builder components to be included within an event page. To add a new event, go to your website and go to Content, Add Content, Event with Layout Builder. Here you can see all of the fields needed for the event content type. We have a title and a subtitle fields. We have location information, where you can either specify an existing branch or camp location or a custom address for the event. If you specify a location, that will be displayed. If you choose to enter a custom address, that will be displayed instead of the event location address. You can either select a location or start in the address field by choosing the country and then filling in the address. Either a location or an address is required. If you start entering an address and need to clear it out, simply set the country field back to none, and that will allow you to choose a location instead. Directions to the event are automatically generated from the address field. However, if you'd like to add custom directions, you can do so using the directions. Next, you can set the event date. There's a date picker and a time picker. If the event only has a single start date, set the start date and the end date to be the same time. Next, you can choose a header image. You can click Select Images to choose from existing images or upload a new image. You can use tags to tag the event. Enter body content with a WYSIWYG editor. Then choose locations if this event is related to more than one location. Finally, you can check Published and Save. Here's an event I've already created. To customize the event, we can scroll up and click on the Layout tab. In our Layout Builder interface, we can see the sections for the page. We have a header with the breadcrumbs, a content section with 2 columns, with the event details, an image, tags, sharing, the body. We have a bottom section with locations, contact information, and we have the related events. To customize any of these sections, you can use the pencil icon and configure or move. You can also remove blocks, or you can add blocks on the page. You might want to uncheck Show Content Preview if you're rearranging content on the page. The Related Events block has been added with the new event content type. To add the Related Events block, go to the section in which you would like to add the block. Click Add Block. Click Create Custom Block. Then scroll down to Related Events. I've added a Related Events block here, so let's check it out. We'll click on the pencil and then Edit. Here we have a title that's for administrative purposes only, and then the section title, which is displayed to users. We have a link field, which you can use to add a link next to the title. And then we have a set of filters. You could choose a couple different options to filter the Related Events block. If you filter by upcoming, that will show all upcoming events sorted by date. You could filter by locations and then use autocomplete to select a number of locations to filter the events block. Finally, you could choose manual and specify only the events that you would like to show in the block. The Related Events block will sort events by the event date unless manual filtering is selected, in which case you could rearrange these events using the drag handles. You can also choose the number of items to display between 3 and 12. Once you're finished filling in the fields for the Related Events block, click Update or Save to save the block. Once you're finished editing the layout of the page, scroll up to the top and click Save Layout. Again, here is the event page on desktop with the title and a subtitle below, breadcrumbs, event details, a link to the location, directions, an add to calendar link, an image, tags, share links, body content, link to other locations, contact information, and the related events. Here's the same event on desktop. As you can see, everything collapses down to a single. For more information on the new Events with Layout Builder content type, go to our documentation at ds-docs.y.org, then user documentation, page content types, and event layout builder. That's it. Thanks.